Precautions for replacing faulty cooling and heating system compressors. The cooling and heating system is a commonly used temperature-controlled equipment in industries such as pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and laboratories. The compressor is an important accessory, and once a malfunction occurs, the equipment cannot be used. When the compressor fails, it needs to be replaced in a timely manner. Precautions for replacing the compressor. Before replacing the compressor, it is necessary to first understand the cause of the compressor malfunction and replace the damaged parts. Meanwhile, check if other components are damaged and replace them together. After the removal of the compressor, it is necessary to perform nitrogen purging treatment before connecting the new compressor system. When replacing the compressor with other accessories, it is prohibited to use the compressor as a vacuum pump to remove air from the pipeline. If it is necessary to vacuum, use a vacuum pump directly. When replacing the compressor, it is necessary to add suitable refrigeration oil. Refrigerant oil should be in moderation. Excessive or insufficient transportation can lead to a decrease in its cooling and heating effect, which can damage the compressor. Do not add refrigerant too quickly, otherwise liquid hammer may occur, causing compressor pressure problems. Generally, replace the dryer first and then the compressor. The original dryer may be saturated and the new dryer is needed for drying.